Warren Buffett says, the best investment you can make is the investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. Hello guys, this is Shruti and welcome to my channel Mascara and Muscles. Thank you so much for tuning in. So आज का वीडियो बहुत ही educational और informational होने वाला है. So you might wanna take down some notes. I would suggest so. And coming back to today's topic, I have actually thought of this unique topic of how investing in your own self is the most important investment that you can do, especially in today's time when there is a lot of things to learn and keep up with the trend and technology. So आज का वीडियो इस टॉपिक को डेडिकेटेड है. एंड इफ यू आर वॉचिंग मी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, then first of all subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and I want you all to help me grow this community that I'm building on YouTube and help more and more people, reach out to more and more people, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे topics पे अब ज़्यादा videos बनाने वाली हूँ. So please support guys. Thank you so much, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Well, have you ever wondered why this word learn has the word earn in it? It is no coincidence according to me. It is because the more you learn, the more you earn, as said by Mr. Warren Buffett. It is perfectly framed because I think it is directly proportional. How much you learn is actually directly proportional to how much you earn. So this realization happened to me जब मैंने खुद के साथ ये चीज़ ट्राई करी, ये थ्योरी अप्लाई करी, and I started investing in myself, and I saw the results, and I genuinely became unstoppable after that. So I want this feeling for everybody, and that is the reason why I am creating this video here. And please stay till the end of this video because I have a special something to offer at it, as it is Black Friday today. So I hope that you enjoy this video and learn the most out of it. Now let's start with the 5 ways of how you can actually invest in yourself. So the first way is improve your skills. Now what do I mean by this? So there might be areas in your work or maybe something that you are pursuing in your life where you have to do a lot of skill building, जो कि आपका एक weaker area हो सकता है या फिर आपकी weakness हो सकती है जिसको आपको लगता है आपको polish करने की ज़रूरत है, वो skill polish करने की ज़रूरत है. So devote time in your entire day to build on that skill. For that you actually have to learn time management also, कि आपका जो पूरा दिन है उसमें आप एटलीस्ट 10% ऑफ योर टाइम जो है वो आप अपने इस स्किल को बिल्ड करने के लिए दे रहे हैं. सो समथिंग लाइक अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में और आपके काम में भी उस चीज़ से हेल्प हो सकती है, जो भी आपकी जॉब है या जो भी आपका अगर बिजनेस है. सो इफ़ यू थिंक दैट दिस इज अ स्किल दैट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन, then go ahead and invest 10% of your time from your entire day into building that skill. For that you can even buy some programs. In fact you should invest at least 10% of your income also in building that skill, क्योंकि ये हमें लगता है कि ये इन्वेस्टमेंट हम अभी कर रहे हैं लेकिन उसका जो रिजल्ट होता है वो हमें इमीडिएटली नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन इट डज गिव यू a very beneficial result maybe at a later stage. वो भी आपको धीरे धीरे once you build your skill you become a master at it and then it begins to give you the result. So don't think कि अगर आप अपना टाइम या मनी किसी ऐसे स्किल में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं जिससे आपको इमीडिएटली रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको कभी नहीं मिलेगा. You will definitely get it, and in fact it is your very responsibility to build on that skill if you think it is required in your work and for you to grow. So make sure that you are at least investing 10% of your time and your money in your self growth. Second way is personal time. Now this is actually of a huge importance if you understand it, क्योंकि आज की डेट में it is so easy to get distracted. There are so many distractions everywhere. Your social media is there. There are so many notifications that pop up from different applications. So it's actually very easy to get distracted, but it is equally difficult to stay focused. So you have to practice that, and for that you have to allot a time, maybe a period in your entire day where for 1 hour you just switch off all the notifications and just focus on one thing on priority. So that is how you also prioritize your own needs and your own gains first, and do not commit to anything that you can't fulfill. So first your priority should be your growth, because until unless that happens you won't be able to help others in the best way possible. Make sure that your growth is of priority, your needs, your gains your personal development and your goals are priority, because otherwise you will just keep serving others without becoming your best version, which does not make sense according to me. So जो भी आपका पूरे दिन में टाइम होता है उसमें मेक श्योर कीजिए कि आप का एक पर्सनल टाइम, एक पर्सनल पीरियड हो, जिसको मैं मी टाइम कहना चाहूँगी, एंड उसमें आप फोकस कीजिए सिर्फ अपने गोल्स पे, अपनी ग्रोथ पे। मे बी ये जो स्किल बिल्डिंग पॉइंट हमने डिस्कस करा है, आप उस पे वो इस टाइम में आप कर सकते हैं, बट दिस पर्सनल टाइम इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड उस टाइम में nobody should be there to distract you, people or your phones or social media or anything. Just make sure that it is your time to grow. Third way is explore creative outlets. So what do I mean by this? Now, if you realize that when you are put in a situation where you have a lot of restrictions, a lot of obligations, when you have limitations, that is the time when you think more creatively. Why this happens? Because like it is said, it's a well known saying that creativity takes courage. सो इट इज़ ट्रू, क्योंकि हमें जब तक एक ऐसी चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन में नहीं डाला जाता है, हम क्रिएटिवली नहीं सोच पाते हैं. सो मेक श्योर दैट योर माइंड सेट इज़ बिल्डिंग इन अ वे, जब आप कोई भी टास्क कर रहे हैं, आप अपने ग्रोथ पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, तो आप हमेशा एक क्रिएटिव एंगल ले रहे हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, क्रिएटिविटी इज़ लाइक अ कॉन्शियस डिसीजन दैट यू टेक. You have to think creatively sometimes. You have to push yourself, you have to push your boundaries to think creative, and that is when creativity starts flowing through you and it becomes more of a part of you. And to me, creativity is extremely important. That is what makes you stand out. So make sure that you are exploring all the creative ways of doing anything that you do, and that is how it will become more magical. Fourth is your personal health. Do you know that you are only as strong as your mind and body allows you to be? So it is not only about your physical strength or your physical well-being, it is also about your mental health and well-being, and I think both of them are equally important right now. We should now start taking it seriously. हमारी जो हेल्थ है वो हमारी सबसे बड़ी वेल्थ होती है, और जो हमारा मेंटल हेल्थ है उससे हम हमारा सारे लाइफ के डिसीजंस, चॉइसेस सब इफेक्ट होते हैं. हमारी पूरी लाइफ हमारे माइंड के थ्रू शेप करी जा रही है. तो ये दोनों चीज़ें ऐसी है जिसका हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखने की ज़रूरत है. इनफैक्ट आई वुड से अबव एवरेज, जितना हम लोग रखते हैं जनरली हमें उस पर ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत है इस टाइम पे स्पेशली. सो make sure that you are prioritizing your personal health, and invest in personal pursuits like reading and writing, and just work on your mental health, and at the same time take care of your body also by consuming a good balanced diet. They say that garbage in, garbage out. So make sure that you're eating healthy, you're eating good nutritious food that will make you feel good, that will make you feel that you are in a very healthy, you're living in a very healthy body, which is very very important. तो ये दोनों चीज़ें ऐसी है जिसका हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखने की ज़रूरत है, और ये भी हमारी सेल्फ इन्वेस्टमेंट में काउंट होता है. फिफ्थ इज मेक अ प्लान. सो आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग जो हमें सबसे स्टार्टिंग में करना चाहिए, विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड दैट इज यू शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे ऑफ tracking your progress, and in fact you should be very well with planning everything. I plan everything, literally, even the rest day I have to plan, and what do I have to do in that rest day, I even plan that. So when you have a very clear plan, you are much more likely to perform better, do better, and have a very well organized mind. तो आपकी लाइफ भी बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज हो जाती है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू नो वेयर यू आर गोइंग एंड हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव, हाउ यू कैन कोर्स करेक्ट, एंड हाउ मच skill you've mastered, what all areas you need to work on, where you can improve. Everything can be done when you have a proper plan ahead of you, when you have a concrete plan to follow. So make sure that you are creating a plan where you can track your progress, your growth, which is very important, because अगर आप कमिट कर रहे हैं अपनी ग्रोथ को अपने आप में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, तो आप कैसे पता चलेगा? It is only through planning that you will know. So now it's time for the big announcement. As you know about my school, Be Your Unique, जो कि मैंने अभी recently launch करा है, and today is Black Friday. So I thought let's give away some free stuff, not a sale but free stuff. So I have a course called Goal Getter Blueprint, and that is available for free. Yes, for free. It's actually worth $9.99, but just for next 2 days I'm gonna give it for free. and all you have to do for that is click in the on the link in the description below and grab your access for that course, and make sure that you complete it within 2 days. So if you're motivated by this entire video and what all I've shared with you, then grabbing this course for free would be a no-brainer. And remember that you are your most valuable asset, so don't hesitate to invest in yourself. This time is not financial investment because I'm giving it for free, but invest the time and effort and work whatever is there to work for through this course, whatever I'm teaching. Or take all of that knowledge and then apply it. That's very important. Also, if you like this course, then check out other courses as well, because they're all there to help you and grow you. And we've discussed already how self-investment is the best investment. So don't wait anymore, grab this opportunity, be an action taker, and I will see you on the other side. Thank you again so much for watching this video, staying till the end and taking the action, and just keep learning and keep earning. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next one.